Hello, and welcome to this lesson on quality control and assurance in 3D printing. As we move further into the world of additive manufacturing, ensuring the quality and reliability of our 3D printed parts is crucial for building a successful business. In this video, we'll explore the key steps and best practices for maintaining quality throughout your 3D printing operations. The importance of quality control. Quality control is essential in 3D printing for a few key reasons. First and foremost, your customers expect consistent, high-quality products. If you deliver subpar parts, you risk losing their trust and damaging your brand reputation. Additionally, poor quality control can lead to waste, increased production costs, and even safety issues if the parts are intended for critical applications. Establishing quality standards. The first step in ensuring quality is to define your quality standards. This means establishing clear guidelines for what constitutes an acceptable 3D printed part. Consider factors like dimensional accuracy, surface finish, mechanical properties, and overall part functionality. Document these standards and ensure that your entire team understands and adheres to them. Inspection and monitoring. Regular inspection and monitoring are critical for maintaining quality. This includes closely inspecting parts at various stages of the printing process, from preprint file preparation to post-processing. Use tools like calipers, micrometers, and visual inspection to validate that your parts meet your quality standards. Process control and optimization. In addition to inspecting finished parts, you should also closely monitor your 3D printing processes. Carefully track and analyze key parameters like print speed, temperature, and layer height. Make adjustments as needed to optimize your processes and maintain consistent, high-quality results. Troubleshooting and continuous improvement. Even with the best quality control measures in place, issues can still arise. When problems do occur, it's important to have a robust troubleshooting process to identify the root causes and implement corrective actions. Continuously review your quality data. Identify areas for improvement and make adjustments to your processes and procedures. Conclusion and call to action. By implementing a comprehensive quality control and assurance program, you'll be well on your way to delivering exceptional 3D printed products to your customers. Remember, quality is the foundation of a successful 3D printing business, so make it a top priority. If you're interested in learning more about building a thriving 3D printing venture, be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the upcoming lessons in this free course. We'll be covering a wide range of topics to help you turn your 3D printing dreams into reality. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.